Hey guys, so I'm in my car here and I just got my new magnetic car mount. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So this is what it comes with here. It comes with the instructions for it, plus it has this extra magnet. So in case your phone isn't magnetic, like for example, this one is, and I can just put this on here. I can put it on there and then it'll hold it. But if it's not, then it comes with the magnet here, which it comes with the cleaning supplies and everything, so you can put this on the back of your phone case or on the phone itself and then make it magnetic and to work with this. So let me show you guys exactly how this looks and what it works like. So what you do is you pull this off and then you just stick it on. I mean, it is super simple. So if I want a mount right, let's do it, I think I want it like right, and I can move it around too, like that and such. So if I want it to be right there, I'm gonna stick it right there, and then you turn it to lock it, and there you go. So you can hear the sound of it, and then I have it right here now, and I can put my phone up right here, and boom. So that's what it looks like. It's really nice, and it's sturdy on there, that's for sure. I mean, that's not going anywhere. And I can put my phone on it. I can switch which way my phone is looking. I could also move this itself. So if I want it to be back more, I could put my phone right there, and I can move it up, down, sideways. I can move it whichever way I want it. So this is perfect. And then when I need to take it off, you just twist it. Well, I'm gonna take my phone off, but twist it back to the unlock setting, take this little tab right here, and then just pull it off, which it's on there pretty good. So there you go. And then I just pull it off and I can go move it somewhere else. So that's perfect. I like it. And that was super easy, and I give it a thumbs up.